Here, ito po yung ating Ilin Townhouse. Yan. Okay, so it sits on a 38 square meter lot area. Meron pang provision for one vehicle carport dito. And yung floor area niya is could be 33 or 34 square meter and 39 square meter. So ito ay dressed up model na, no? Pero pretty much basic lang po yung turnover niya. Yan. From here, makikita po ninyo. So ginawa nilang open floor layout. So dito kasi ito talaga yung inyong rear side, no? Yan, kung saan nandoon yung inyong kusina. And of course, andito yung toilet and bath. There you go. Andito yung ating sala. So, ito as is na po itong turnover ng ating hagdanan. Yan. So, from here, meron tayong two bedrooms. So, this will be the bedroom 1. Yan. And of course, ito yung ating bedroom 2. Yan. Kung kayo po ay naghahanap ng 2-story townhouse na malapit sa Metro Manila at affordable pa po, no? At 1.3 million, pwede nyo na po itong ma-reserve for as low as 7,000 to 8,000 monthly. Alright.